Bananas are a delicious and healthy food that contains fiber, essential nutrients and antioxidants. But after eating the banana, the most common thing we do with banana peels is to throw them in the trash. However, there are various miraculous uses for this frequently overlooked product. The peels of banana can be used in your kitchen as a cleaning product or in your beauty care routine. In this video we are showing you 6 amazing uses of banana peel that will definitely make you think before throwing them into the trash. 1. Helps to reduce acne. Banana peels contain vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese. These nutrients can calm the inflamed skin and helps to reduce acne outbreaks. Banana peels also contain lutein and carotenoids. These are fat-soluble compounds, which helps to fight inflammation and acne breakouts. Rub the white part of banana peel over your skin and leave for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse your skin. Repeat this daily for good results. 2. Helps to whiten your teeth. In a study, banana peels have shown antibacterial activity against the bacteria in the mouth that can cause periodontal diseases, such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Ripe banana peels are also very rich in potassium that can help reduce yellow stains on your teeth. Just after brushing, rinse your teeth well, and then take the white part of the banana peel and rub it on your teeth for about 2 minutes. After that, rinse your teeth again. 3. They can give shine to shoe, leather and silver. The banana peel contains potassium, which also happens to be an active ingredient in shoe polish. Simply rubbing the inside part of banana peel can give shine to your shoes and leather products. For silver articles, blend the banana peel with half a cup of water to make a paste. And then using a cloth rub your silver with the paste for a few minutes. 4. It can make a rich compost. Rather than wasting them, many organic gardeners recommend putting banana peels to use in the garden. Adding it to your compost pile will help introduce more calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphates, potassium, and sodium to the soil, all of which are vital for the healthy growth of your plants. Chop the banana peel into small pieces, and then just simply bury them under the plant you want to fertilize. 5. Help to reduce the skin irritation. Banana peels contain vitamin A and vitamin C, which can help to drastically reduce skin irritation such as swelling, redness, and scars. Take a small piece of banana peel and rub it on the affected areas until the peel turns brown. Leave the peel fibers on your skin for 30 minutes and then rub it off with a hot towel. For better results, rub this peel twice a day for a few days. 6. They can also be eaten. Yes, you can also eat banana peel as the fruit of banana. They are packed with nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin B12, magnesium and potassium. There are many recipes you can try, such as boiling banana peels in water to make a tea, using them as an ingredient in chutney or blending them into a fruit smoothie. Have you already tried any of these methods? Please tell us in the comments. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some other videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.